Good morning, students. 8th standard science. A second sex characteristic of boys, or the secondary sexual characters occur in the boys. What are the secondary sexual character? First, so they having a hair. First, they having a so the hair. They immediately after the development of the primary sexual character. So the development of primary sexual character. So the pubic hair appears, followed by the axillary and facial hair. So the facial and the axillary hairs are developed after the puberty, after the primary development of the primary sexual character. It's the first characters of the secondary sexual character. Hair. B. So they have a skin. So the skin becomes the coarses, and the spore of the skin is become enlarged. So they're going to sweat gland pores, so they become enlarged. So increasing the sweating. Actually, they have so they increasing the sweating. The third one is called gland. So the gland means oil producing gland are well developed in the skin. So the oil secreting gland in the skin is become enlarged in the acid. So they may appear of the face, and also they appear in a face. So after the puberty, the facial region, they become to oily substance are present. Is also one of the secondary sexual character. Then muscles. So strengthening of the muscles. So increasing. So they have give the shape of the arms. So they have a shape of the arms. The muscles become well developed. So they give the shape of the arms and leg, and also they have a shoulder region. It's a well developed muscles. They are, and also they give the shape of the male body. So they become to the enlargement of the arms. So they have the enlargement of the shoulder, and they have a well developed legs are present. Then voice. So the voice is broken. So during this period, the voice changes occur. So the voice become to husky. So the voice become to broken. The pitch drops and the volumes are increased. Pitch is reduced, but the volume is increasing. So they have an adolescent voice. They develop the adolescent voice. So these are the secondary sexual character of the male. First one is called the hair distribution. So the facial and the armpit, and they have a pubic region. The skin, so they become the very coarses, and the pore is become the enlarged in size. So the glands, so the oil producing glands are developed in this body. So the particular the facial region, so the well developed oil glands are present. So the muscles become the enlarged. So the muscles become to give the shape of the male character. So the development of the arms, leg, and they have in your shoulder. So the voice is become the broken. So the pitches are reduced, and they have so the volumes are increased. This is the secondary sexual character of the boys, and they have a secondary sexual character of the girls. So the hips development, hips. So due to the enlargement of the pelvic bone, the development of the subcutaneous fat The development of the fat in the hips is become to wider and they become to rounded. So due to the development of the pelvic bone and the formation of subcutaneous fat, so the hips is developed to enlarged and wider and rounded. So the hips is well developed. So the B, so they have a name breast. After the development of the hips, so the breast become is a developed. The breast is become enlarged. And they have been developed during this time. During the development of the hips, so the female body they contain the breast is become to slowly they increase. So the formation of breast. Then hairs. So the hairs, the pubic hairs appears followed by the axillary and the body hair on the limbs. So the around the genital organ, so the formation of hairs and also the arms, the limb is also the development of the hairs are formed. It's also they have in a secondary sexual character. Secondary, a sexual character. So muscles. So the increase the muscles that takes place with give the shape of the shoulder. So the development of the muscles in the female body, they give the proper shape of the shoulder and the arms, and also they have in a proper shape of the leg. So because of the development of the muscles in the female body. Then voice. So the voices become to shrill. So voices break right among the gales. So they have a high pitch voice and the volumes are decreased. High pitch voice, but the volumes are so decreased. So the voice they occur in a female body. So the voices, so they broken. So they have a high pitch and they have a low volume voice are developed in the female reproductive system of the female body. Yeah, they have a skin. The skin is become to coarses and the pores are enlarged in the case of boys. So the pores are so enlarged in this region. So the skin they consist of a number of pores, sweat gland pores, that is called an oil gland pores. So all the gland size is become enlarged. So the skin. Then, so they have a gland. So the oil producing gland become the very active. So the oil, so the producing gland has become the very active. You're causing the acid and the face. So the face that contain the oil glands are present. So they always is become the oily substances that present in the face. So these are the secondary sexual characters occur in the female body. What is called the hips is well developed due to the development of the pelvic bone and they have a subcutaneous fat. The hips is become the wider and also they have a rounded. After the hips development, so breast is slowly they increasing in the size. So the hairs distribution, so around the genital organ, and also they have the armpits. So they develop the hairs. So the muscles development. So due to the development of the muscle to give the proper shape of the leg arms, shoulder, and leg. So the voice. So the voice is become the broken. Voice is become the broken. So they produce a high pitch voice and they have a low volume. So they can voice. The skin. The skin is become the porous. The glands also they present in they enlarge in the skin. So last one is called the glands. So the oily glands are present in the body, so they become enlarged in size. So the particularly they occur in a facial oily glands is become so the well developed. And the causes of the acid, so they become the skin is become to moisture. So the skin is become so moisture. So these are the secondary sexual character. They occur in both the male as well as the female. So thank you very much, students.